So, ready, and that's much better. Okay, I will see when I ride, of course, but it's much more steady. And I finished over here also, I think, here. Oh. Look at that.
So your old one, yeah, there's your boss. You can smell him. That's always good, huh? To smell your boss.
The door has been replaced for a new one. This bracket as well. So today is the day, yes, really, that we leave. It's early in the morning, 7 o'clock now, and I think an hour or 2 hours we will leave. Departure to the south. Finally. Hey. Good morning, Robin. How was your last night here in Germany? A big smile. We deserved it.
It's a year of work.
Yeah.
Year and a half.
Yeah. Hard working, but now the result is also there, and we are very happy with it. And yeah.
Yeah. Time to go.
Time to go, yes. Time to go for you too.
But
yeah.
first, food.
First food, yes. I forgot my filter. So finally heading up direction France. Lyon. I put in on the Garmin Lyon, and of course that's too long for this day, but the direction is good.
100 meters, turn left, then turn right. Turn left, then turn right.
Can you hear? The Garmin is as well in English. Our new camper site for 10 euros. And Luxembourg. First make dinner, macaroni. Hey, this is the other guy.
Who?
You.
It's me.
This is such a nice motor route. Wow. When I went to the Pyrenees in 2021, it was as high as this, and it was raining as well. But still a beautiful route, I remember. You can see it on my video. I don't know what number, but it's the video from 2021. It's heavy, it's very steep, and it's beautiful, but for the car Robin's van it's too steep, and we will do that not again. This car can handle it easy. It must be here. They sell 40 meters or 40 meters, but first we will look and go by feet. And it's very windy here. Look at that. Oh. When I look the weather forecast, it's 21 kilometers an hour the wind. But it's much more here, high in the hills. So I think it's better to search for another spot. Oh! What a wind! Ja, dat is de manier. Tire is rubbing.
Hij had erbij of zo.
The problems with my window and the door lock doesn't work. This is renewed 3 weeks ago. I did already a phone call to Germany, to the garage, and they say I'll go to a dealer. This is a dealer, but they do not this kind of work, so they advised us to go farther, 23 kilometers to another village, and there's a garage as well. So I'm very lucky. They help me. Jeremy is his name. Awesome guy. So we discovered this door doesn't lock at all. When I do this, all the doors locked. This one not. So there's a real a real problem with the left side door, and the guy is asking the manager what to do, because it is very crowded at the moment. And it's in the place called Bayonne. It's yeah, fantastic. And I hope my camper will become fantastic as well. I hope. Many people have hush problems and they want help immediately. As me. So I hope he can help me today. Why not? When it is next week, then I have to search for a camp here in the neighborhood. Okay. So trust, confident, patience, nice exercise. The problem was a computer unit is broken, and it cost €250 to replace it, and that was the problem. So they ordered it, and tomorrow at 9 o'clock I will back here, and yeah, then the car is fixed. And this guy showed me a very nice camp place in the neighborhood on the beach and for free. So let's head up to the campsite, the free campsite on the shore. A nice forest where you can run in the early morning. It looks very good. Everything is solved for me perfectly. That's nice camping. It's kind of parking. It costs €13 for 24 hours. But it's in the neighborhood from the garage and nice area, so no problem. I'm happy with it. Look at that truck. A military camper truck. That's nice. That's very good. Off-road capable.
U heeft uw bestemming bereikt.
Yes, now a spot. Here is a spot. Until tomorrow will be enough. So let's look a little bit around. That's a real one. Wow. So you can walk to the beach again with the dog in the evening?
There's no beach.
Yes, there's beach over there. Over there must be the beach. It's a little walk, couple of 100 meters. By accident we came here. Thanks to Jeremy. Jeremy is connected to the Bible, Jeremiah. Nice. Thank you for explaining that.
Sorry for my English.
No, I speak not English also not very well, but he told me it's in the 19th century they damaged it a little, but in the past it was also a kind of highway, a route for transporting stones, I think to the beach, to the ships.
Yes.
And now is it not
To protect the mouth of the river.
Okay.
Because it was a very dangerous mouth for the boats.
Oh, that's why.
And as you can see now, there is a very long
It's not slippery here. No.
digue in French. This is in digue. Yes, over there was 1 kilometer long.
It's a nice feeling area.
Yes,
Rest. Silence.
silence.
Calm.
In French we say paisible.
Paisible.
Paisible. Peace.
Peaceable.
Peaceable.
Peaceable. Yeah, it's a connection to English. Peaceable. Nice word. Peaceable. I like it. I'm peaceable as well.
Yes. And
Okay.
because the currents and the waves are very, very strong.
Aggressive,
And,
yeah.
yes.
Okay. So you speak English already much better. So he's ready. Everything is okay. This guy did. Yeah, he's very good. Thank you very much. Okay, bye. So, and now the bill.
Let's do it.
That's the man from the bill. He's very kind. And it's in the place called Bayonne. Bayonne. It's yeah, fantastic. So everything works. It makes me happy. But 538
Na
euros.
250 meter op de rotonde de eerste afslag nemen.
Now I'm heading up to Robin. He's on another place, he told me. And doing the laundry. It's possible here by the Intermarché. So, yeah, we can do also and some grocery.
Op de rotonde de eerste afslag.
So that was an exciting moment in the mountains. Very, very steep, as you could see. But in real, yeah, it's much more steep than you can see on the video. It's always the same with that. So it was exciting for us and a little scaring as well. And okay, we know now roughly what the fans can do. And they can do a lot. They're very, very powerful, and it's also nice to know that. Then the emissary with my van to the garage, and fortunately they could repair that very, very quick. And thanks to that, the guy gave me a nice spot where we could stay for one night. Was possible to stay more, of course, but it was a nice spot near to the sea, nice beach, and many things to see, and a very nice history from this river. The French guy told me about that, and I did a little more research, and I like that. It's very interesting what happened in the nature the last million years. I think million, maybe more, I don't know. But yeah, everything went okay. Anyways, thank you for watching. And if you like, thumbs up and consider to subscribe. It will help me a lot. So again, thank you for watching my video and see you next time.